Hey all, so in this session I will cover May 2019 paper 2 practical exam for ICT International GCSE. So in this paper I already completed section A, task A1. Check out my previous video. So today I will be covering task A2, which is mostly on database. So for paper 2 ICT, we always have to be careful about the scenario, because this scenario will cover each and every question. Like they will tell you to follow the house style or anything, like the heading, or maybe they provide some of the style or telephone number, website, something like that. So okay, continue to section A, task A2. So at first what I will do is, like, we have to create a folder, because so that we can save all our file in one of the folder, which can help us to go through all these things easier, to print out and everything. Because if we don't create a folder at first, then it will be harder to find out where the file are located and all those things. So for that one, what I will do, I just create a new folder here. So that one is section A. And then I will create a Microsoft Word. Choose a blank document and then save this one inside that section A folder. So what I will do, I will go to File and then to my PC, go to the desktop. So this is section A, give a file name, that one is task A2. The format will be in Word documents. Okay, so what I will do, just first write, because they say that we have to provide the candidate number and everything. Yeah, here it is. So open a new word processing document, set the orientation to landscape, enter A2 your name, candidate number and center number in the header, save the document at task A2. So what we will do, need to do this in orientation. So go to the insert, then layout, select here, choose landscape. Okay, go to the layout and then orientation, landscape. So they say that what we have to do, need to put your name, candidate number and center number in the database. Okay, so this one is task A2, your name, candidate number, and your center number. Okay, so now we will save this. Click on this PC, it will be easier to remember the steps. Sorry, not this one. Changes to file name, task A2. And then save it. Okay, so after that, what we will do, just cross this one and try to open this file from the folder, like this one. this, so it will be easier to track that whatever we're doing, we're working on this file. Okay, so our question was like, Simon has collected information about the holidays and the clients who are booked to go to them. He has saved the information in the database holiday. Okay, so inside the question, they will provide a folder where they give us a database table. The name of that one is holidays. And inside that holidays database, there is two tables. One is destination, another one is for client. So they are saying that open the holiday database, open the destination tables. Okay, the structure of the destination table is this. So this is the field name, this is the data type and the description. You guys can check my database video where I describe all these things. So we already completed this part. We open a new document, everything. This one is done. This one done. Set to landscape. This one also done. Save the document as A2, right? So we'll move to Shimon wants to use a form to add more holiday to the destination table. So task A2A, create a form for the destination table. The form must match the house style. So what is the house style? House style is this. The scenario we have before. So this is the house style. Okay, we have to follow this style. So that means all headings will be bold and italic. There will be a logo in the top left corner. We already created a logo during our task A1, so we can use that one. So we open our Microsoft Access and then go to here. Okay, so the folder that we get from the examination is this one. So there is one data files and one for notes. Like here it will give you the everything that we will get inside the database, a visual information actually. So we will get a data table like this view. And this is actually the design view, how primary and foreign key are connected with each other. And then we will get how the spreadsheet documentation will looks like. Then detail about the worksheet, Word document processing, and all those things. Okay, now we will go to the data files. So inside data files, there is 4 folder. One, there is image, all images will be there. There is non-office folder, like if there is any documentation and all are here, Excel things. Then there is Office 2003 and 2007. If somehow 2003 is not supported, then you guys can work on 2007, or if somehow 2007 is not working, then go to and open this one. So both are same. So I choose 2007 and then I want to open this one. Okay, I have two things, so I cross this one. Okay, so this is my holiday database. So inside holiday database there's 2 tables. One is this destination table, another one is client table. So we open the destination table first because they are saying that the work will be based on destination table, right? So they want us to Shimon want to use a form to add more holiday in the destination table. Okay, so that means Shimon want to add more data inside the destination table. So this is all the data that we have inside the destination table, but Shimon want to add more. So what he will do for that one, go to create and choose form wizard. Okay, from here if we want to input a new data inside the database table, that means we need all this column to create a form. A form means when you guys are going for registration or login, you get a form to sign up, right? Or to register your information, similar like that. So you can, okay, so we choose the destination table. Okay, you can also fill up like this, but this is actually not a better way to fill up in database. Okay, so that's why we will choose the form. and then we want to get all this database. So what we will do, click on this one, so it will take all these things. If you click this, so that means it will take one data at a time if you need one, then so, but I need all the things. So then go to the next. Okay, for this one, inside the question they are saying that match the style, be customized, so that means we have to modify this form, right? So based on that we have to choose modify the forms design, so that's why we choose this one and then click on finish. And this is the form view we will get. Destination, this is the table of destination and all the things is there. Always careful about the naming, it should be cover all the name completely. Okay, so then we will move to, okay, so we will start a design. So what will be the design? Always careful about the question. So they said match the house style, include a suitable title, that means we have to add a title. So this one is a destination table, right? So just think what title we can give, and based on that you can give any title. So I can give destination form. Okay, and then put it inside, try to make it at one line, and then we have to set the logo. For the logo, I already created a logo during my task A1, so from there I will get my logo. Okay, so we'll move to the design, and then from here we'll insert image. Click on this one and browse. So from here go to the where you are saving your section A task. So this is the logo that I created during my task 1 time. Okay, so this is the logo and destination form, so we put it like that. And then what is the name? They are saying that match the house style, include a suitable title. Okay, we put the suitable title as well. All heading and bold and italic, logo in the left hand corner. Okay, so we put the logo at the left hand, and then the heading will be bold and italic. So this is the heading, this one should be bold and italic. So click on, go to the home, bold, and make it italic, similar like that. So that means we completed this one as well. Yes, this one also done, this one done. Be customized so that all field have 14 size. Okay, font size will be 14, alignment must be center. So this one, alignment must be center. Just click on the whole things, and then from here choose 14 and click on this one, center align. So all are in center align. Check this one, there is some issue with the naming, so fix that one from here, and then check the other one as well. Okay, everything is perfect. Okay, so then go to the view, and this is the form. So from here we can now input our field, and this field will go here. Okay, So go to the question. That means this one also done. Save the form as destination form. So you have to save it as a destinations form, right? Check the name, spellings and everything. So for this one we have to do what? Because I just try to click here and maybe this one. Okay, so we have to close it first, then we can make it rename. Changes the save, yes. Rename this one. Destinations form. Again check the name is a destinations form. Destinations form. Okay, so that means this one also done. Save it. Then task A to B is Celtic Springs Scuba has organized a new holiday. Use the destination form you created in task A to A to add these details to the destination table. Okay, so you have to add this table by using that form. Okay, so this one is SA1 holiday ID South Africa. Okay, then go to the this one. This one is SA1 and then country South Africa. Reason is Mabibi. Okay, so we already created this one as well. So this one task A to A done. Task A to B, this one also done. Okay, destination form, we already added this. Take a screenshot of the completed form. Paste the screenshot into document task A2, receive A2. Okay, do not print at this stage. So whatever we do, we'll just take a screenshot for this one. And then we'll go to our insert and then click on pictures, section, and then click on the pictures. I save my picture on desktop, so try to save everything on desktop so it will be easier to find out the location where it is. And then from here click on this so you can move easily and put it to the center. Yeah, so this one actually don't have any line, it's not look that much good. Try to click on this, go to your design, home, yeah, try to add this one, it will looks better. Okay, so move to the question then. This one also done. We already input all the value inside the form, and also resave it. Go to your and then click on these things. So this one will ensure that you save these things. Now go to task A to C. Sort the destination table by country into alphabetical order. Okay, so you have to sort it based on alphabetical order. Resave the destination table. Take a screenshot of the sorted table. Paste it into the document task A2. Make sure that all the data is displayed on one side of A4 and it easy to read. Okay, resave the task A2. So what we'll do, go to the database and then click on the destination table. This is our destination table. So country, click on here and then this short A to Z. So that means now check that everything is work perfectly. Country, right? Alphabetical order. Then go to and then here also click on this save, or maybe right click. Yeah, click on this save these things and then take the screenshot of this one as well. For the destination table, okay, I take the screenshot and then I will save these things in my desktop. Yeah, here it is. Okay, and then open your Microsoft Word. Move on next page, it will be better. And then insert picture. I think this one can take it. Yeah, this is our table. Done. So we are creating a destination table, okay, and then sorted by using a country in alphabetical order. Take the screenshot, paste it also, make sure all the data is displayed on one side of A4 and is easy to read. This one also done. This one is done. Do not print at this stage. So we have to again save these things. Done. Now we will move to the next question. This one is task A to D. Simon wants a list of holidays that are leave aboard, are 7 days duration, use blue water dive boards. Okay, create a query on the destination table to produce the list. Save the query as leave aboard. Take a screenshot of the query design. Paste a copy of the query into document task A2. Okay, do not print at this stage. Then they mention that the list must show only this field: holiday ID, reason and country. Be sorted in descending order of holiday ID. Okay, so one by one we go. This one they are saying that Simon wants a list of holidays that are leave aboard. Okay, create a query on the destination table to produce the list. Okay, so for this one we go to the destination table, we see all these things. Okay, then we will click on the create button, and from here we need to design a query, right? So we will click on query wizard. Here we will take all, nothing need to click on here. Okay, we have to modify a little bit things here, so we will do the modify the design query design. So this is our reason, country, dive board is number of days, destination, right? And then leave aboard and all these things as here. Okay, so they want to only select that are leave aboard. Okay, duration must be 7, blue water dive boards are there. Okay, so that means the field will be holiday ID, region and country. So holiday ID, region and country will be visible. So that means number of days will be equals to 7. They are saying that the number of day duration is 7. All are leave aboard. Okay. If we go to the destination table, that means this is the boat company. This is the boat day. Okay. If I go to destination query, leave aboard. Try to put some semicolon at the first and the last. Use blue water dive boards. Okay, so we have to sort this using blue water. So if I go to the destination table, that means this blue water, right? Okay, so for blue water is in which field? This boat company, dive boat company destination. So here, okay, for this one we will do create a query. So go to here and then blue water. On the create. We'll put that star here because there is 2 blue water inside our destination table. Blue water 1. This one is another blue water 1. If we don't put the star, it won't take the 2. So for that one, go to the create and then click form wizard. Based on that, from here we will take the destination table. So based on the question, they are saying that they only want to see leave aboard. The duration will be a 7 days and it's a blue water dive board. Yeah, 3 things we already included inside our database. And then they say that create a query on the destination table to produce the list. Save the query as leave aboard. Okay, we have to create a destination table query. Take a screenshot of the query design. This one is done. Then if we go to the view, it will show us like this way: blue water 2. Okay, yeah, these all are okay. Then they are saying that take is okay, so we have to save the query as leave aboard. Okay, leave aboard. So for this one, if we want to save it, want to rename this one, so what do we have to do? Click and then click on rename. Leave aboard. Okay, so leave aboard and then, but here is one issue. That one is in question they are saying the list must show only this field: holiday ID, region and country. Right, take a screenshot of the, so for this one, take a screenshot of the on the query destination table. Take a screenshot of the query design, paste the so in this question they're saying that take a screenshot of the query design. Okay, so we will go to the query design. So this is the view. Now we will click on this and we will go to the design view. Okay, so we will take this query design that we did. This is our query design, and then I want to save these things. Okay, I just copy these things because you guys know how to save it. So this one done, this one done. Okay, take a new. For this one I already copied, so I just want to paste these things. This is my query design, and to give some bold structures. Okay, so this done, this one also done. If and then when I go to the question, that means I already paste the query. Do not print at this stage. Now they are saying that the list must show only field. This field it will be show holiday ID, reason and country, and descending order of holiday ID. So go to your database. That means I don't need this, this and this. These three I don't need. I only need these things. And also need to reorder the column because holiday after holiday it was reasons. Click on here and put it here. Okay, so these are now order, and then they are saying that for this one we have to do some descending order. So for this one done, this one also done. Display the order and sorted result of the query. Take a screenshot of the result. Okay, and paste your query into the database, resave, and do not print at this stage. So here it says that sorted result of the query, that you have to take the screenshot and paste the query in the dash document. Okay, resave it. So we'll go to the document, and this one we have to go to the view because they have said query result. So this is the result. Then take a screenshot of this one. Then I will paste it here. So this one also done. And then they said resave task A2. So click on the save button at the top. Then move to the next question. That one is task A2E. They're saying open the client tables. Structure of the client table is like this. They have the field name and the data type. So Simon wants a list of all clients who have not completed a medical form and who are traveling to either Thailand or the Philippines. The list must show only this field: client ID, client email, and client name. Be sorted into descending order of client ID. Okay, create a query on the client table to find the information. Save the query as medical form query. Simon want to produce a database on the result from medical form query. Create a database report to display the result. Okay, this is the suitable title, suitable image. So how only the required field, show the record sorted as required, enter your name, candidate number and center number in the footer, okay, inside the form footer, okay. So then, sorry, inside the medical form footer, make sure that all the data is displayed on one side of A4 and is easy to read. Save the report as this, print the medical report. Okay, so we will focus on this. So we have to now take the client ID, client email and client name. So based on this information, so this is information is traveling either or the Philippines, have not completed a medical form. So I go to my client one. This is all the client thing, and where it is not tick, they didn't even completed the medical form. So they are saying that the destination must be Thailand and Philippines. But the thing is that only with client table we can get the destination. For destination we need destination table as well. Otherwise we can able to sort it based on the Philippines and Thailand. So based on that, what we'll do, they are saying that we have to create a medical form. Okay. First a query form. So for that, and then we will choose query design. So from here we will take this and this as well. So click on shift, click on here first and then shift with this. So both are clickable and then add. So all these two tables are added and it's showing that how these two tables are connected with each other. So we need client ID, double click on each this, holiday ID, client name, contact email, medical form, right? From here we need what? We need the destination. So if we go to the destination table, this is the country. That means we need country as a destination. Otherwise we can't able to get the Philippines and Thailand. So based on that, they are saying that the field only show in this order. Okay, we'll look at that later. But they are saying that the sorting will be based on Thailand and Philippines and there will be no medical form. So if I go to here, medical from clients, destination is Thailand and Philippines. Thailand and Philippines. Check the spelling. LPI. And the medical form, they're saying that medical form is no. So it's no. So this one done, this one also done. The list must show only this field. Okay, so we don't need other field. Client ID, it will only show client ID, client email and client name. Client ID, client name, this was the contact email client. So client ID, email and name. We don't need holiday ID, path, medical form and this. So if I click on the view, it will show us like this. This is the client ID, contact email and name who don't have medical report and they are traveling to Thailand and Philippines. Sorry, I did one mistake, sir. That one is for this one I have to go to the design view. So for that one, click on that view 2 times, and then you will get this view. So from here I put one L. Then I will save this. Oh, the name of this they are saying. What will be the name? Medical form query, right? So we'll put the name medical form query. Okay, and we correct this one. This is the record now. So here I did another mistake. What's the mistake? The mistake is if I go to view, I didn't put no here. So this is some silly mistakes about spelling that I show you guys for you to get a reminder in your examination that you guys can also do these types of mistakes. So please be careful about the spellings and the query, because I did a spelling mistakes on Philippines, so you guys can understand how I can go from design view to this view, this design view, how to came up here, and then I didn't put no second time, and then now I'm putting the no. Go to the runs, and then you will get this view. So this is some common mistakes that every people do, so be careful about that in your examination. Then we will go to, we already create these things: client, client email, client name, then descending order will be on the client ID. So then client ID, go to the view, client ID will be in descending order, date on descending, run. Okay, done. Medical form query: create a database report to display the result. The database report must match the house style and have a suitable title, include a suitable image, show only the required field, show the records sorted as required. So we need to add a suitable title and a suitable image. Database report must match the house style and okay, so now we have to create a report. This all are done. Save the medical form, that one done, that one done. So we will go to creating a report now. So for that thing we have to go here and then click on the create. From here just create on yes, yeah, so create on, click on create and then report wizard. You must have the query one. Okay, so somehow I add this create report wizard, and from here we will do the report of this query, right? Medical form query. From here I will take 3 things and then finish. But this one give me the view, but I need the design. For this one what we will do, I don't need the view, I need the design view. For this one right click and click on the design view. So where here you will get the design view. For this one, this is the report design view. Okay. For this one, they say the database report match the house style and have a suitable title, include a suitable image. So house style, that means we have to follow the house style. For house style, we have to add a logo and everything like that. So just put it a bit here and then design, insert image, this logo, make it a little shorter, and the name of that report will be, save the report as medical form report. Okay, so we put the name as well, like that, medical form report. Okay, medical form report. Try to put it a little bit upper and make it a bigger. Yeah, okay. Client ID not visible. Try to make it more visible. We don't need all these things. Click on this and your delete button on your keyboard, so it will be deleted. Okay, so inside question they are saying that a suitable title, image added, only require, show the only required field. So they are saying that have a suitable title, that one done, include a suitable image, done, show only the required field, done, show the record sorted as required, that one, that's say this one, also done, enter your name, your candidate number and center number in the page footer. So we will add the name and everything on page footer. Okay, name, candidate number, somehow there is some other text came. Click on this one and your delete button on your keyboard, it will be disappear. Okay, so because of the house style we have to make the title bold and italic, and everything will be, just check again what is the house style. Bold and italic, top left corner. Okay, then it's done. Bold and italic done. Top left corner also done. The logo we put it to top left corner. Show the record short as required. Enter your name, candidate center in a page footer. Done. Make sure all are displayed. Okay. Save the report as medical form report. So remember this name and we have to go there and then save one as medical form report. Click on this save, but it already saved, so for that one what we will do, cross this one, medical form query, right click and then put the name here, medical form report, done. This one is medical form report, print medical form. So now we already created the medical form. So we are getting that pop-up issues because we did another mistakes here. What mistakes we did? Go to the view, click on here, go to the design view for this one. Okay, we put the candidate name and footer in this text box, but follow this one. It won't create any problem. So put your name here and candidate number. And center number. Try to follow the alignment with each other and then save this one. After that, go to the view. So when you want to again go to the design view or anything, you won't get that pop-up coming. Okay, everything is working perfectly. So this is our client view. So for this one, go to the print section, because they are saying to print it on PDF. That one will be 1. Yeah, so that's it. Print it. Okay, that means this one is done. It's already printed. Then we will go to the next question. What is the next question? The next question is saying that task A to F. Allow this question in the document task A2. What is mean by the term primary key? What is mean by the term foreign key? And then identify the type of relation between the destination table and the client table. After that, explain one advantage of using a relational database rather than a single table. Okay, so first one is, what is the primary key? So for that one, go to the document, then select another page. This one is task A to F 1. So put the name like this. So a unique this one is called a unique identifier, or unique identifies each record in a table. That means based on our name, some people know us, right? So this is the example of a primary key. So based on a primary key name or ID, a table can be recognized. So a unique identifier. And what will be the foreign key? Foreign key is mostly uses for connecting as a relation. Like for A, that one will be A to F2, and the answer will be a primary key in another table, you can say. So if we look to the database, and then if we go to the query design, like for the medical form query, if we want to go to the design view, this one we can see the client holiday ID. This one is also in this one, right? Both. So sign of this key means this is the primary key. So based on this holiday ID, we know this destination table. Based on this holiday ID, we can know that all other record is dependent on this one. So this is the primary key. So primary key is always unique. EG2 is only one. We can copy this EG2, whereas the country can be multiple time reason. There can be one reason, there can be many reason in here. Same for the dive boat company, number of days and all these things. But primary key is always and only one. And we need primary key to connect the two database. So what happened? One holiday ID we will put here. So that means this client ID is connected to this holiday ID. In this way we can connect these two tables. So one destination can have number of client, right? So this is the example of a foreign and primary key. Then we'll move to the next question, which is identify the type of relation between the destination table and client table. So what is the relation? The relation is one to many, that I already mentioned. One destination have many clients. A to F3, that one answer will be one to many. After that, the last question for database is explain one advantage of using a relational database rather than a single database. So there is 2 mark. So 1 mark will be to avoid repeated data or can be data redundancy, which make a file too large, or maybe it can save the space. Save on space, it avoid mistakes and all these things. So for this one, the answer will be to avoid okay, so this one is to avoid repeated data which can avoid mistake. So for this one is actually what happened. If I go to the database, we have holiday ID, right? So holiday ID is connected all holiday list to the client one. So it will be easier to merge up two database table, and based on query we can just take out some of the data we need. But the thing is that if we don't have the destination table here, what we have to do, we have to go to the destination table with, if we have destination table but we don't have the ID, then what we have to do, we have to go to the destination table, and then based on the country we have to put it all the here, all inside the client table again, and then based on that we have to write, okay, this client went to Thailand, this client went to Philippines, and based on that there will be another table name header will be here, and then we have to fill up all the things, and then based on that we can sorting all the thing. But for that, if we have the primary ID inside the destination table, we don't need to do anything else, just need to add the ID inside the client table ID. So what happened, that can make the foreign and primary key, and based on that we can sort the data. So this is the way we avoid the repeated data, which also save the spaces and avoid mistakes, all these things. So thank you. Next video I will share question number task A3, sorry, question number 3, that means task A3. So thank you. Please subscribe and like to my channel to get the updated video. Thank you.